Guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, April the 12th, 2024. Almost weekend, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so three puzzles remain. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. 4-star Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number. This will be number 8, 3, 5, 2. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4-stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4-stars puzzle. We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. No, correction, 3 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 4 3s. Alright. 4 3s. 1 4. 3 5s. 1 4, yeah, 1 4, 3 5s, no 6s, 1 6s, 2 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 3s are a majority. Can I start with 3? That's the question. Well, no. What's happening? Can I not start with the 3? No. Well. Interesting. Need the 3 there. Well, in this third row, we have 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in this big square, so no 8 and 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 and 9 goes in those 3 boxes. 8 and 9, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in this column, no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Okay. Then, let me see. Let me see. Yeah. The 5 there. The 8 here. 8 in this column, last column. 8 in the last row. 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left at 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need a 3 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left at 5 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 2 here. And I need a 6. Could be everywhere, okay. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left, 3 should be here. On there, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, 3 should be here. On there, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, okay. Need a 3 there. Cannot continue with the 3 now. I want a 2 here. And a 9 here. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 8 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes at there, 4, 4. And 1, 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1 and the 7. We have 1 and 7 in this column, so no 1 and 7 in these two boxes. 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright, 1 box left now in this column. First column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 1. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between the only place left 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left now. In this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 5 in this row, 1 and a 5 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Alright, and now let me think. Need a 9 here. No, 4, 9, and need a 3 here. Yep. I need a 3 in the last row. Here can be 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 7. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 there. Yep. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in the middle column. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 2, no. 2, need a 6 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 there. Interesting. So 4 and a 9. 4, 9, and the 6. 4, 9, 6. Need a 7 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, no that column. The only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevator 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2, no 7. Alright, and now need a 6, need a 9, need a 4. 6, 9, 4. Okay. Alright. Let me think. 3 and no. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Then, let me see. Need a 9 here. Okay, need an 8 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Let me think. Come on. What's happening? 5, need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Okay. We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left. The 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. We have a 5 in the column next, no 5 there. Only place left of 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, and a 9. Well. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 9 here. 9, 6, and an 8. 9, 6, 8. I'm thinking. 9, 4, 6. Ay. We have a 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left of 9 should be there. 4 and 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left of 9 should be there. Well. 9. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left of the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 9 there. Cannot continue. We have a 9 there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, so 2 numbers left in this big square. Same numbers, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left of 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left of the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the amount. 1, the 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left. The 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2. In the 8, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. The 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column. I believe the 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place left, the 8 should be there. 8 and 9. We have an 8 now in this row. No 8 there. Middle row. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. Wow. Not faster than 50 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.